How to reset Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can reset Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up settings. So open up settings in your device. After that, head towards your left hand side and from this menu bar click on Windows Update. Once you're here, now click on Advanced Options. Scroll down a bit and under Additional Options, you have to click on Recovery. And under Recovery Options, you have this option for Reset this PC. And next to that, there is a button as Reset PC, click on it. Now, you will see this prompt in your interface where you will have two options, either to keep your files or to remove everything. Here, if you don't have any important file in your device, you can simply select the second option. But if you have some of your important file that you want to keep, then you have to choose the first option, but all your applications that you have installed will be removed, only your files will be saved. So from here, according to your preferences, you can choose one options. And on next page here it says, how would you like to reinstall Windows? Again, you get two options, either to choose the cloud download or click the local reinstall. If you have your copy of your Windows 11 or 10 in your device, you can simply go to local reinstall. If not, you can simply use the cloud download. And if you use cloud download, it can use more than 4 GB of data. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. And after that, follow the on-screen instructions and click on next. And if you keep clicking on next, then your device will restart or reset automatically and all your files will be downloaded. And that's how you can reset your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.